Hello everyone! So I have this fun tutorial. It's very similar to the one that we had done in the previous video. This is a larger version, as you can see, but it's perfect flat mail, and it's another one-page wonder, which we all love. So before I had just done the one pocket on the side. So this one I had it this one I added two. And I actually added some vellum. I made this like a fun little pocket, a vellum pocket. I just thought it looked cool kind of with like, you know, a little border. Usually we just make kind of plain pockets, so it almost looks like a page, but it's not. And then of course you have your little side pocket that's going to easily fold. I have some sort of accent going on. And then this one, you can make this a pocket as well, but I thought it'd be fun just to show like a little flip page. And then like if you're doing a photo album, it'd be cool to have like a photo underneath it. My dog just woke up from a nap, so I don't know how this is going to go. And then here, just another side pocket. Now you could obviously interact these any way you want. You can make them both open flip or all pockets or all just, you know, like this. But I'm just going to give you the easy measurements for this. And like I said, it's perfect flat mail. And you can stack these too if you want like, you know, a triple decker album or whatever. So we're going to be using a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. And yes, I'm using double-sided, but of course, you know, it doesn't matter. It's just maybe plain inside, no big deal. So 12 by 12 paper. And we're gonna start off our scores at 1.5, 6, and 10.5. Okay, so I made the pockets a little bit thicker than the other album. So 1.5, and 6 is gonna go right in the center right there. And then 10.5 is going to give us that other pocket. Okay, so you should have 3 scores. And then just turn it around on the other side. And too easy, we're just going to score it at 6. That's just going to be our little center where we're going to fold. Okay, I'm going to flip this paper because I don't think you guys are going to be able to see my cuts. So... oh my, I picked a really printed paper. Okay, so let me go ahead and fold this so you guys are gonna be able to see where all my lines are. So this, I'm trying to see where you guys can see better. Here, let me fold this so you guys will be able to see. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, hold on, let me fold this so you can see this line too. Okay, so what we're gonna do is the same thing that we did. I'm trying to figure out a way you guys can see. Okay, there we can see it. So from the middle line to here, we're gonna cut like we did the other way. I mean the other album. The only difference is we're gonna cut the other side too. So just up to that middle line, okay? And now when we turn it, don't cut it all the way through. Now we're just gonna cut this little portion right here. I lost my favorite gold scissors again too, by the way, somewhere on my desk here. Okay, so it's just like that. So you're gonna have this open here, and then you're gonna have that, okay? And it's gonna go like this, and then you're gonna fold this down, and then fold these in, so you can see how it's gonna look. Sorry guys, I will try and work on my view again. I just got so frustrated with that view, I had to take a break, okay? So after you have this, we're just going to fold it. And then this isn't going to budge because this is gonna be the part that we glue down. So what you're gonna do is simply fold this over in the front. And then you just take that last piece and fold it like this. And you're gonna have your easy little book right here. So you're gonna have that, and then this part we're going to glue down, and then you have your other pockets. And this can be fun, just like I said, you can make it like a flip thing. So let me glue this down. Ooh. my hand just has to twitch every time I'm gluing. You can look at any of my videos and my hand is literally twitching around the same time. Okay, and you can corner round these if you want, or just leave it like that. I did corner round mine. I kind of do like it like this. I kind of regret corner rounding it, but I'm gonna do it just to make the album the same. Because sometimes I do get random comments that are like, that doesn't look like the album that you did. And I'm like, that's because I'm using different paper. And sometimes I switch things up. Okay, and I'm gonna, oh, I should have done those at the same time. Just corner rounding them all. It's amazing I'm getting 2 videos up in a week. See? I have so many ideas, so I just hope that they go accordingly when I try to do a tutorial. All right, so now that we have all these, now's your time to decide what you want to do. For me, I glued this down. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that first one down. And you can see I use my pretty Cocoa and Reno dies for the flag and the ticket. They have a really cute set that's not on my desk right now that I wanted to show. But I'll link the site and you'll be able to see it. All right, and then I just... this little thing here is just another one of the little cards, and I just kind of, you know, put a little eyelet in there with a circle. But this, here's my paper, just a little sheet of paper. Just trying to tell you how big it was. And I lost my paper, but it is a 7 by 5. And you just fold it in half. 7 by 5 paper. I'm just going to fold that down. And I'm going to corner around this again. And you can stick your eyelet in if you want. I'm just going to go like this for now. And then this one right here, we're gonna add our little pocket. So what I had done is cut out, okay, so this was in between 4 1/4 and 4 1/2, but I'm just gonna, to be safe, because I don't want anyone to have problems, we're just gonna need 2 sheets of vellum that are about 4 1/4 by 6 inches. And then I just glued this on like this. So you can see it's a little shorter because when I made it exact, it was kind of in the way. So at 4 1/2, I just kind of cut a sliver. So I didn't want to confuse anyone. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I actually taped that, but for this, I'm just going to go ahead and glue it. Hope it doesn't look ugly when I seal it. Let me just go like this. And band it. So it looks fun and different, right? Just to add that little strip there. Did I not put glue down there? Hold on, I got this on crooked a little bit. Okay. So like I said, you can leave this open right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and seal it up. So I really should tape this, but I'm just gonna glue it. I'm just gonna glue the edge down really quick. Just because I know it'll dry fast with the vellum. And I did glue it just a tiny bit crooked, but that's okay. And then I'm just going to put in, sorry, I can't find anything. Where is all my stuff at? I'm gonna put, hold on one second. I left my sequins. So this is why I don't like to use the glue, because you can see the vellum kind of there, and I don't like that. So I'm just gonna throw some sequins in it just so you can see. It just looks so pretty, and it changes up the album. instead of doing all the traditional things that we usually do. It's just fun to switch it up. Okay, and then we have our little side thing right here. And that's just, I put a 4x5 paper thing in there. Oh my goodness, you guys, I literally can't find anything on my desk. Okay. Bear with me a second. I cleaned my desk off. Oh, Bandit. No, babies. Yeah, he's getting a little barky now at everything that's not normal in his view. Okay. And then we're going to just go ahead and turn that. And this is the one I just added the page, so I didn't glue this down. I mean, I didn't glue it down as a pocket, so you can see it just opens up. So I'm going to do that. Bandit, please don't embarrass me. I'm filming. You got to act like a super good dog. No, he really is a really, really good dog. We really lucked out. He's just super clingy, but I've never been a dog mom, so I guess that's how they are. But I know that Shih Tzus are a little over the top. He is such a Velcro dog. I feel so guilty even leaving the house. Okay, so that opens up. I'm going to leave that, and then I'm just going to glue this one down. Does anyone else have a Velcro dog? Like, I literally don't even want to leave the house because I feel so bad. He's going to be alone. And I told my husband we need another one. But my neighbor told me she had a dog with anxiety. And then I saw her walking with two. And I said, you got another one? And she goes, yeah, because, you know, he had such bad anxiety. But now they both have it. I was like, okay, I don't need two of them. Okay, so there's that. And I'll just show you, like, I just put some project cards with a piece of vellum just to make it look pretty in here. And these project cards are from the other My Mind's Eye line. I'll put it down. And this was just a little, remember when we made this in the other album using this paper line? So I just stuck that in there because I thought that looked pretty. And then I'm going to stick this in here. That was also from when we made another tutorial. And then where is my stickers at? Oh gosh, you guys, I'm so sorry. I have to get up again. Oh my. Okay, so running out of the stickers for this line, but I have a couple left. Let me just see. Don't know if I'm going to find one for the front, but I just want to put one on like one of these pages. No, I don't like that there. Maybe this one. Nope, that leaf is not going to cut it. There we go, just to add a little bit of color. So here, and for this kind of situation, because I don't have any more larger stickers, what I would typically do is probably take one of these project cards and just put it on the cover. And by the way, these little clips that I got, they are so clippy. Like not clippy. They are so strong. They are actually work too good. You know, some paper clips, they just slip. These ones work too well. So, hold on, let me put this on here. So that's just going to go on the front for the card. Okay, but, so because I ran out of big stickers, what I'll probably do is just take a project card and glue it on there. Maybe you could add some glitter on there, or take your ribbon and swipe it on there. This is actually a little bent, so I don't want to put that on there. I'm just going to add something small for now. Okay, guys, so here's the flat mail. You can see super flat, really easy to make, and you can see how you can switch it up. You get your little pocket here, and then your little side pocket. And for this, I used the tab punch. And I thought I had it on my desk, but I can't find it. So that's why I didn't make my tabs. And then you have your little side pocket here. And then your open pocket right here. And then your other little side pocket. Really cute and fun, guys. I hope you like this. Like I said, it's so similar to the other one, but just larger, because I know I'm trying to be mindful that some of you really enjoy the larger size. So if I can make two versions, like a mini and a large of something this easy, I'm gonna go ahead and try and do that. All right, guys, I'll hopefully have another tutorial soon. All right, bye.